Hello everyone, welcome to Rec Room. Very good game. So today I want to teach you how to spawn in inventions. So you go to your menu on your watch, you go to store, go to inventions. Like let's say you want to look for something yellow, like there are things you can get. A disclaimer, some do some do cost tokens. Now, if you want to, like, let's say you want to make something, so a circle or so. Let's say you're making a circle to on palette, you can go to shapes, swatches, which color the difference, props, inventions, circuits, C1 legacy, all the things you want. To use configure, you have to press select. You can do any of this. So when you have it selected, there's another thing. To publish it, you press this. You select all. Correct? Oh wait, no. God dang it. Oh, that might not be the way. Oh, see? Make invention. You press that. Like, hold on. It's I don't think I can make this an invention. But like I said, you can make this an invention if you want. When you make something. So the other things you can do is, as you can see on the tools, you have delete, manipulate, make invention, which see, take that, next, yes, there you have it. See, there you have it. If you want to get rid of something in your room that you spawned, you can press that, and that's how you get inventions and spawn and make inventions. Thank you for watching.